Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Julia and this is a simple explanation of not simple things at all, and of course we're talking about crypto. So today we're going to be talking about huge crypto crash and Terra Luna, which is down over 97%.
Holy shit.
And the main question, now what? Is it still good investment or do you need to use this chance to make more money? So guys, stay with me, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Once again guys, thank you for joining my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I want to grow it more so more people can understand about crypto better. Hit that notification bell in order not to miss my videos. Don't forget to like and comment this video. Follow me on Twitter and my Instagram where I got verified so you can see more live content right there. I'll appreciate your support so much. Let's come back to our topic. So today we're going to talk about Luna, Terra, and I'm going to share my opinion about what to do next. So today's market update will be covering why Bitcoin dropped down below $30,000 once again, why Luna fall, and what happened to stablecoin UST. The main question, is it still too late for Luna to recover, and what is the possibility and what might happen next? Terra Luna, the cryptocurrency native to Terraform Labs, has crashed further and it's down a lot in the last 24 hours. How are Terra Luna and Terra USD related? The Luna token and UST are mutually dependent, as the Terra ecosystem's success is predicated on the adoption of UST as a stablecoin. Luna invests in UST and it's burned as demand for UST increases. On the other hand, if UST is viewed as unstable, the value of Luna may fall. Crypto exchange Binance even temporarily stopped the withdrawal of UST and Luna, leading to a falling effect on prices of both cryptos. So what happened with Luna? Why Luna and UST fallen? All about the Anchor protocol, which was launched in February 2021 and in which it was possible to stake UST at 19.5% annually and not only stake. Launched by the same Duke Won who founded Terra. Many have chosen to take advantage of this system, including the big players. Understanding why Terra collapsed these past weeks means understanding everything. The Anchor lending protocol, one of the earliest signs that things were going wrong for Terra, came when UST deposits on Anchor started dropping Saturday. Anchors offer market-leading yields of up to 20% on the year to users who deposit their UST on the platform. Before UST started its decline late on Saturday, Anchor was home to 75% of UST's entire circulating supply. That's 14 billion of UST out of total circulating supply $18 billion. Anchor burned tokens from venture capital funds to pay interest, constantly replenishing reserves by selling Luna tokens from the community pool. And at some point, the annual burning of venture capital reached $1.8 billion, a lot of question. After that, steps were taken to reduce the rate from 19% to 15%, decided to reduce gradually once a month by 1.5% for staking. Meanwhile, stablecoins Near and Tron were announced. And Terra's founder Duke Won decided to form a UST stability fund worth $10 billion in Bitcoin equivalent, for which he collected investments. Aside from the mechanism for building UST on the security of Luna and burning UST instead of Luna, there was no security for UST. As one might expect, the massive drain from Anchor onto the open market contributed major selling pressure to the Terra ecosystem. That's what happened to Luna and stablecoin UST. UST, a so-called algorithm stablecoin, works with its sister token Luna to maintain a price around $1 using a set of on-chain mint and burn mechanics. In theory, these mechanics are supposed to ensure $1 worth of UST can be used to mint $1 of Luna, which serves as a sort of floating price shock observed for UST volatility. Much of the hundreds of millions of dollars in Bitcoin used to rescue UST were likely sold straight to market early this week. Cash outs to non-Bitcoin currencies would have been necessary for traders hoping to defend Terra's peg. The Terra team is not giving up so quickly. They're trying to restore the peg of USD to dollar and attract investments to return their stable coins. Another point, there is no trust to Terra anymore.
My disappointment is immeasurable, and my day is ruined.
Terra has announced that it will print new Luna until all UST is bought back and returns to $1. The price of Luna itself is already below $1 and there are not so many people who wants to give their money so that someone gets out of the UST. Next, Bybit suspended Luna and UST trading. It's a huge move and literally in few hours we can see this tweet of Binance where they relisted Luna and UST trading. Luna blockchain resumed, but no more minting. You can see it on the screen. And then just a few days ago, Dupont came up with a new plan to have to save Luna. Bottom line, he wants the validators to start over using 1 billion tokens. They want to distribute 40% to Luna holders before that DPEG event happened. So 40% will go to previous holders. Next 40% go to UST holders. But what about people who bought Luna after the PEG event? Well, 10% will be given to everyone that has been trading and supporting network after the PEG event. And final 10% going to community pool and fund future developments. Let's look at this article what says what happened to Terra's Bitcoin reserve as UST and Luna crashed. So here we can see the information according to blockchain analysis platform Elliptic on Monday, hours after LFG's announcement of the 1.5 billion loan. The Bitcoin addresses associated with LFG sent roughly $750 million worth of Bitcoin to a new address. Whether the Bitcoin in those Gemini and Binance account was sold off to buy huge amount of UST is unknown. However, it's not possible to further trace whether those massive sums of Bitcoin were sold or moved to any number of the other wallets still in LFG control. And last for today, guys, let's go to CoinMarketCap and see what happened to Luna. So Terra is ranked number 209. How quickly it went from top 10 or top 15 to rank number 209. And look at the price right now. So we are down by 26% just in recent 24 hours. And let's look at the chart of 1 day and we can see that we keep dropping the price down below. So the question is, Luna is still good investment for you? For me personally, I wouldn't invest in Luna big amount of money. I would invest in Luna as much as you're willing to lose. So for me, it's kind of gambling. You can invest in Luna and see if it's going to go up again. But I'm going to remind you that a few days ago, Luna went up by 1,300% just in 24 hours. So it's really gambling for me. You can try to invest money in Luna, especially if you invest in just a little bit, like $200, $1,000, if you're willing to lose this $1,000, because nobody knows what will happen next. For sure, it's not going to come back to all-time high, and I think there's no trust for Luna anymore. So as I said before, investing in Luna is just gambling, so you can try to do it, especially on this lower price right now. Anytime Luna can go up and make even 500%, anyway you can make your money and sell all Luna immediately. Of course, it's not long-term investment, it's short-term investments, so you can try to put some money in Luna and see where it goes. And quick reminder for you, I'm not financial advisor, I'm just girl with the camera. I'm sharing my experience and journey about crypto here with you on my YouTube channel. So personally, I wouldn't invest in Luna because there are a lot of good and the potential winners of altcoins, and you can buy it with really huge discount. And we're going to talk about it in my next videos. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment this video. I hope this video was informative for you and I appreciate your support so much. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video.